Hello guys, today ngayong araw is gagawa tayo ng 2x2 starter base in under 1 minute. So ang mga bagay na dapat i-prepare is hammer, door, key lock, TC, box, sleeping bag at 6 na building plan. So each building plan is ilalagay nyo ito foundation, triangle foundation. Ito pwede nyo lagay frame, ito wall, ito floor triangle, ito floor. So ganito siya. So ayan guys, meron na kayong 2x2 starter base in under 1 minute.